Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hey, I hope you're having a great day today. Yes, it's game day. I'm out. I thought I'd run a quick errand and run to the store, the grocery store, real quick, and I check my mailbox. And I have 2 checks, okay? What does this mean? 2 checks. Everybody knows that Easy Profit 100 only pays once a week. So that means I haven't checked this box in 2 weeks, but I have been busy, but it's no big deal. The checks come, you pick them up when they come. So anyway, Easy Profit 100 is still going strong. As you can see right here, there's the name, TRG. That's Easy Profit 100, okay? So the program works, guys. You just have to work the program. Mail your postcards, or you can promote this business online. There's various ways to do that. I show you guys that all the time. Text message marketing, solo ads, okay? Placing classified ads. That's been one of my hottest things here lately. Placing classified ads, which we talked about originally anyway, now that Easy Profit 100 has it done for you services. But guys, I can show you how you can place ads in the classified section for Easy Profit 100, okay? So, again, Easy Profit 100 is still working, okay? I'm still in the program. I'm an affiliate marketer, guys. That means that I market various programs. I introduce you to the programs to show you ways to make money online or offline, okay? By using different products or services, okay? So, I do have a few programs that I'm a part of. And I've shown you proof that this has worked. I've been in this program for 3 years now, okay? They've been around 7 years. It's going to be 8 years here going into 2019. So at any rate, guys, Easy Profit 100. I'm going to put the link below, easypostcardincome.com. There's various ways you can market this program. I'll be happy to show you those different methods. But you have to understand, you can't do something one time and that's it. You have to continue to promote your business. It's about exposure, okay? So, team up with me. Get started in Easy Profit 100. I look forward to you joining my team. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Thanks for checking out the video, guys. I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.